Quizmaster.
Hi, kids. Welcome to our WH question quiz. We will practice asking and answering questions using what, where, when, who, why, and how. Let's have fun and learn together. Instructions: read the question or sentence carefully. Look at the three choices. Choose the correct WH word. Are you ready? Blank is your name. The correct answer is A. What? What is your name? Blank. Do you live? The correct answer is B. Where? Where do you live? Blank is your teacher. The correct answer is A. Who? Who is your teacher? Blank. Do you go to school? The correct answer is C. When? When do you go to school? Blank is your favorite color. The correct answer is B. What? What is your favorite color? Blank. Are you happy today? The correct answer is C. Why? Why are you happy today? Blank is knocking on the door. The correct answer is B. Who? Who is knocking on the door? Blank. Do you eat breakfast? The correct answer is A. When? When do you eat breakfast? Blank. Easter bag. The correct answer is A. Where? Where is your bag? Blank. Do you go to school? The correct answer is A. How? How do you go to school? Blank is your best friend? The correct answer is A. Who? Who is your best friend? Blank. Do you like apples? The correct answer is B. Why? Why do you like apples? Blank is in the box. The correct answer is A. What? What is in the box? Blank. Do you play with? The correct answer is B. Who? Who do you play with? Blank is your birthday? The correct answer is C. When? When is your birthday? Blank. Do you feel today? The correct answer is A. How? How do you feel today? Blank is your classroom. The correct answer is B. Where? Where is your classroom? Blank. Do you like ice cream? The correct answer is A. Why? Why do you like ice cream? Blank is calling you? The correct answer is B. Who? Who is calling you? Blank. Do you get to school? The correct answer is B. How? How do you get to school? Great job, kids! You did an awesome job answering the WH questions. Keep practicing every day, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English quiz videos.